Hi guys, we're playing Danny's World.
Yes, finally! You listen to me! Come on, let's go.
With
Are we gonna make a team or no?
with my friends.
Ooh!
With my
Zaxxon,
cousin.
no! But are you pro?
Let's go. We're trying our best, guys.
Ay,
Let's go, Yana.
I'm the balloon guy.
We're playing with my cousins. But it's only us.
I'm gonna distract.
Someone is gonna join.
Ooh.
Yeah, bro.
Never mind.
Join?
Join! Yes! We actually have a team.
Yes, guys.
I know how to make a team, but I don't
Talk to them.
blah, 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 blah.
Talk to them.
Hi.
Hello, guys. She's just shy. We're playing Danny's World. I hope you comment below what's your name, and then I'll add you. I'm a noob at this. Please don't make fun of me. I hope you like and subscribe and share. I hope. Okay, guys.
I said, smiley on the camera.
Someone's coming. Run.
Where the PF is? Oh, there it goes.
Guys, we're trying to do this game.
Can I just shut them?
Okay,
Oh,
guys.
Poppy, come here.
Guys, I can get Shrimpo. When we die, I'm getting Shrimpo.
How about we die first?
Guys, we're gonna die first. Damn!
Oh,
Guys.
Wi-Fi?
I'm gonna die.
No, just die. The distance are there.
Here, boy. Kill me. Bro, you're not killing me. Huh? Kill me.
She has to finally get another tool.
Finally, I can get another tool, guys.
Sorry guys, I forgot.
Ayaw nyo daw ba ng argument or something?
Ay, gusto ko!
Okay with cards?
No.
Okay, dalaw.
Sorry, guys. I forgot to tell him that Shrimpo, what Shrimpo can do?
Yeah. I forgot to tell you, he's the worst too. He has all one stat ability, look. Still destruction lower than any other tool. Only play this tool if you are looking for a challenge.
I tell my dad,
We're trying to. Yo,
I gave you Pokemon.
Okay?
yo, this is the longest. Guys,
That ain't even long, bro.
we're going too far. It's 7 minutes.
This ain't even long. No. The Christmas event is already over. I'm gonna go
Guys,
with,
now let's go.
so that I can give you all the bonbons. I'm the bunny. Let's go. If you guys love Coca, huge shout out to you. Bro, come on. Oh, did you really buy it? Oh. Wait, let me check Poppy.
Yeah, you're gonna have to save up for that. No, I'm going with Luke.
Bro, you can.
Why?
You have to buy this first.
Before him.
Yes. Oh, because it says complete tree master and scraps. You have to complete like the
Okay. I'm
Come
gonna
on,
get
I'm
my
the bunny.
tool. I get my tool.
Come on. I have that one too.
I'm angry. Why am I kinda cute?
Supposed to love one. You know what? I'm gonna play Snowballs. Wait. I can change it out. Guys. I'm dead. Wait, can you guys even see this?
Yeah. Guys, he had so many ink.
What?
Iker. He have so many Iker, guys. He have like 1,018.
Some people have 1 million.
Hey, they might be fan of me. Damn, guys.
Cassie.
Guys, we're almost to 10 minutes.
That isn't even long. YouTubers usually do like 20.
Damn,
I'm too girls.
I'm from
Let's all have mastery and not so shrimpo.
I have to buy 3,
Yes.
that, and then
You have to survive 15 floors and 350 icons. Listen.
ma.
No.
Did I hear someone?
This is diarrhea.
Ria. I am a.
Listen.
Help me, guys! Help me!
Sorry, I can't. I'm doing a machine. We can run away.
Frick!
Frick.
I'm so freaky.
Frick monster.
I'm so freaky! I'm so freaky! Don't
Come
you?
Someone stay near Kristen, or else he's gonna attack us.
Please don't go out. Please don't go out. I'm doing a machine.
Oh,
Ay, damn! Who saw me? Who saw me?
I'm not destructing.
Disgusting.
No, someone beneath this thing.
Weird.
Oh, I might have heard. Maybe you should not play as him.
Who?
Shrimp.
Why?
Bro, look at you. You're nearly on 2 hearts already.
Rar.
I should have played as Tisha. No. Oh, here.
Damn! What's that?
No! I'm gonna die. Fastest music on earth.
Watch me.
Oh, I already left.
Watch me. Guys. Damn, I'm just gonna die, guys. Damn.
You should play as Boxton. By the way, that's the fastest twisted ever, I think. I think Pebbles, I don't know.
Guys, I only have 2 Iker.
You've earned 4 Iker.
Yeah, I know. Damn. Aray ko
Oh.
Guys,
See my Iker.
how did you get that?
I'm trying to get blood. He costs 300. I mean 3,000.
I want to join the group.
What group?
The group of this.
Why?
Please.
Okay, fine. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Because I want to get this.
To be honest, that's useless.
Yes! Yay! Yes! Yes. I want McDo. I mean, no.
Jollibee daw. No. Sorry, Zane.
Yeah. I cannot even still join. Bro, I cannot push Danny's world. I'm not gonna join. I'm joining the...
I got a main character.
Main character? Yes. If we see them, that mean we got a brand new character?
No. In real roses. Wait.
Bro. Guys, this is gonna take long. Because this is Danny's world. Tickets? I don't have tickets.
Oh. What's happened?
Because you said I have to join you. I cannot join it.
Oh.
Why?
Change back to Boxton. You're playing us the worst tool right now.
Damn.
I am a cutie pie. Come on. Let's go.
Yo, I hope Yato joins. Damn, who's this? Nuh-uh. We're playing.
Yeah. Like me, Dad.
Tita Laika.
Yes, Tita Laika. Huwag mo pansinin.
Ano yun? Ano kasi? Tatawagan ako ni Dadam. Kaya, no.
Don't answer it. We are parenting.
Bro, we're not parents.
You want me to play as Tisha?
Yeah. Okay. What Tisha does?
She can give everyone a speed boost in her circle.
We are kids squad.
Like when she does her ability, a circle goes around her, and then whoever is in that circle gets a speed boost for a short amount of time.
Okay, guys. It's only you and me, guys. It's only you. Let's go say goodbye for the...
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye, guys. We're gonna shut the video.